chilling at the beach right now, getting our little chair set up. Today's our anniversary. 5 years. 5 years. Woo, wonderful. 5 long years.
All right now.
5 good years though, you know. Man, it's a beautiful day out here at the Fontainebleau, one of the best resort style hotels on Miami Beach. Man, celebrating me and my wife's 5th anniversary. Last year we was in Turks and Caicos. This year we are at the Fontainebleau. Man, nice room, oceanfront, one of the best rooms here at the resort, you know. Man, I'm just inspired. You know, happy about being in my situation. Good views, you know, nice balcony out there, and views are everything, you know. Views are everything. So in this video, I just want to talk to you guys out there and tell you guys, man, how I pretty much grew my transportation business. And if I can do it, you guys can do it too out there. Trust and believe in yourself. And if no one believes in you, you better believe in yourself. Hey, one thing about life is you got to surround yourself around people that's going to inspire you. Surround yourself around things that will inspire you. You know, so valet parking. Out in front of the resort, out in front of the hotel. Lambos, Ferraris, Bentleys. It's all inspiration. So that's the only thing I'm trying to do to you guys out here is just inspire you guys. You know, life is full of inspiration. You just got to go find it, and you got to put yourself in a position to be inspired. Hey, so I'm about to go ahead and go for my morning workout. Man, big shout out to my brand, EOM, Extraordinary Movement. Extraordinary men of values, exemplify motivation, enthusiasm, nobility, and trust. Windy out here, about to get this run on. After that, I'm gonna roll off into that content for the day. Hey, so let's go ahead and roll off into this content for the day. Man, I just want to talk to you guys out there and tell you guys how I earned a 6-figure salary in the transportation industry. So I didn't say the trucking industry, I said the transportation industry. And the reason why I said transportation is because I do multiple things. You know, I started out with a trucking company. That's what actually gave me that foundation, you know, when it came to acquiring the knowledge in this transportation industry. Then I started to learn a lot about this business. And that's why I always tell you guys out there, man, you guys got to start learning. You know, learn as much as you can out there. If you want to earn, you have to learn, you know. And like I said, I started out with 1 dually truck. And in the first 6 months, I acquired 3 dually trucks. So I had to go find 3 drivers. And that's how I started out the business. And then eventually I started to learn the business. As you guys know my story, you know, especially if you guys have been following me for a while. If you go back to some of my first videos on my YouTube channel, you guys will see me out there hotshot trucking, you know, actually picking up loads, securing loads. And I loved it. You know, I enjoyed doing it. And now I enjoy doing what I do too. You know, don't get me wrong, I do miss that truck from time to time. But like I tell you guys, as a business owner, if you guys hold a Class A CDL, you do not want to get so caught up in driving that truck if you want to focus on the growth of your business. Now, if you just want to drive that truck and that's all you want to do for the rest of your life, that's perfectly fine too. As long to me that as long as you are actually out there running under your own authority, and whether you're dispatching yourself or maybe you might hire in-house dispatcher. But like I tell you guys, if you are only running that truck and driving that truck yourself out there, there's no reason why you can't be dispatching yourself. When I was driving, I was dispatching myself, I was dispatching my drivers, and also I was brokering freight, and I was doing it from the road. So, hey Manny, how was you actually doing all of that from the road? If I have to, I'll pull over, you know, and then I'll just get on my computer, power up my internet using my hotspot, pull over in the rest area, pull over on the shoulder of the road, pull over in the truck stop. It don't matter. And I complete that transaction, make that money, and I continue movement down the road. So, like I tell you guys out there, if you guys want to earn over a 6-figure salary in this business and being a business owner, you guys have to start learning. You know, you have to start learning, and you have to start adding additional services onto your actual trucking company. Because a lot of you guys out there, I know a lot of you guys out there watch me, and some of you guys are company drivers, some of you guys are owner operators, some of you guys are leased on companies, some of you guys want to be dispatchers and freight brokers. So you have to start actually adding on all of these additional services to your trucking company so that you could build a transportation company. So, man, I've learned a lot in this business, which has earned me over a 6-figure salary. So I'm not going to tell you guys a specific amount of money that I make, because honestly, it's none of your business. Just know that I'm making good money. I'm able to enjoy my life. I'm able to hang out in places like this. See that view in the back of me? That's the resort view back there. And like I tell you guys out here, man, I'm only doing these videos to inspire you guys. I wish someone would have created these styles of videos when I was researching on YouTube. You know, so that's why it took me a little bit longer to get into this business, because a lot of people on YouTube just kept discouraging me from getting on and starting my trucking business. And then one day I just had to say, man, I'm done watching YouTube videos. I'm just about to start acting. So if you guys are still watching YouTube videos, and if you have ran across my YouTube channel, only thing I want to do is inspire you guys. Don't get me wrong, you guys will have days out here when it's challenging, when it's tough, you know, but just keep pushing. There's going to be days when you're going to fail. There's going to be days when you're going to succeed. But one thing in life is you have to count those failures and never count them as losses. Count them as lessons learned, so that you guys can use that lesson to turn it into an actual success story. So I've bumped my head plenty of times. I've failed plenty of times in this business. But one thing about it is I never let it discourage me. I just kept pushing, and I kept striving, and I kept going. So growing over a 6-figure salary in this business, and I'm talking about profiting, you know, not just earning over 6 figures and still having to pay taxes on that 6 figures. I'm talking about earning 6 figures and actually net pay. So don't get so caught up in gross pay and net pay, and you guys are hearing these people out here on YouTube talking about how they made $200,000 or $300,000 trucking. Because I guarantee you a lot of those guys probably won't even see $70,000 or $80,000 of it, especially if they're just running a trucking company, because there's a lot of overhead involved in trucking. So how I grew my six-figure net pay income, how I earned it, was because I had to learn it. Dispatching, freight brokering, running trucks, leasing on truckers to my company, training people, mentoring people, creating products, ebooks, books. Like I told you guys in one of my previous videos, if you've seen it, the only way you're gonna get wealthy and create that generational wealth out here is you guys gotta start creating a service or creating some type of product. Hey, what's going on YouTube out there, man? Today, I'm feeling great, I'm feeling generous. Hey, so I wanna drop some good business advice on you guys right now. The only way that you guys out there are going to create that generational wealth, to start stacking up that bank account, especially you guys that want to either be in business, stay in the business, or get into business, you guys have to create products or some type of service. You have to provide some type of service or create some type of product that is going to help somebody else out here. You know, so just think about that. Quick piece of advice. I'm in front of Chase right now. Let me see. I'm in front of Chase. DAT. Big shout out to DAT. DAT, I salute you. You know, about to go up into Chase and cash this quick affiliate marketing check. I'm a partner now, you know, with a big company. Feeling good, feeling great. You know, so $977. I'm talking about making money while you sleep. This is making money while you sleep right here. So, hey man, like I said, I'm feeling good, feeling great. About to go up in here and cash this check. Hey, think about that. Creating a product or a service. And I'm talking about to help other people out here. So growing your dispatching company. Grow it, start dispatching owner operators, start hiring dispatchers. That's the way you're going to grow it. The way you're going to grow your freight brokerage is become a freight broker and start hiring either freight agents or training up some students to broker freight under your company and do a split. If you guys want to grow your trucking company, go buy you some trucks, go hire you some drivers, and you personally should be the one that's starting out dispatching. So, man, there's multiple ways out here to grow your business. I just want to sit back now and enjoy the rest of my vacation. You know, like I told you guys, today is me and my wife's anniversary. And, man, life is beautiful. Life is beautiful. And this is every day for me now. You know, don't get me wrong, Miami Beach, it's a different world down here versus me being in Central Florida, where I live at now. But, man, even where I live at is amazing. Beautiful weather, palm trees. You know, here, like I say, it's on another level though. You know, it's always levels of life. So, if I could grow my business out here, you guys would grow your business. The key points to take away from this video is that you have to create multiple products, multiple services, multiple streams of income if you guys want to earn over a six-figure salary. And I'm talking about earn over a net pay of a six-figure salary. And that's pretty much it, man. Hey, if you guys have any questions out there, hit me on my email, broker@managedtrans.com. Go visit my website, www.extraordinarymovement.com. EOM, Extraordinary Movement. That's my brand. CEO, commit, execute, and be obsessed. Everybody be great out there.